Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, undocumented, rebel, nuclear, 806 boss, 876 boss, 647 boss, garage boss, Trini boss, the whole crew, Canada, England, America, Jamaica, all of the Caribbean. Look at the screen in front of you. We need help with solve that case here. Raymond, KERR, the family need help. His thing is unsolved. You see what I'm saying? And, you know, I thought about it. I said, you know, how can I bring value to the subscribers and non-subscribers, people who use this channel? And this is the first of a series of unsolved case that I'm going to put, and we need help. Mr. Raymond KERR, he's a good man, long-standing citizen of Montego Bay, Cornwall, old boys, you understand? He was a broadcaster, a businessman, a reputable man in the community. He was found in his apartment, shot, and his firearm has been taken. Please help the family and the Jamaican police solve this case. This case, one of the reasons why I chose it as one of the first video is because this case happened in Montego Bay under the height of the SOE or Zoe. I used to know that state as emergency. So please help us solve this one here. You understand? Raymond KERR found dead in his apartment in Appleton Hall, Montego Bay. This happened in 2019 and it's still unsolved like many of the cases in Jamaica. So one more time, before I go, take a good look at this man right here on the right, Mr. KERR, 53-year-old broadcaster, the head of the sports at Cornwall College, businessman, had his own licensed firearm that was stolen from him, and he was found dead in his apartment in Appleton Hall, Montego Bay, and this was in 2019. Help us solve this case. You can contact the Jamaican police, or if you're comfortable, you could contact me at my email, which is on the screen in front of you. Okay? Everything will be confidential. Alright? So help us solve this one. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. I'm out.